हाय फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं मेरे चैनल का नाम टेक्निकल नूर है। यहाँ पर मैं आपके लिए मुख्तलिफ किस्म के टोकन्स और वेबसाइट्स लेकर आती हूँ जहाँ आप अपनी रकम को इन्वेस्ट करके बहुत सारा बेनिफिट हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बिना टाइम वेस्ट के हमारी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू है तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, मेरी वीडियोज़ को लाइक कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पर टिक कर दीजिए ताकि फ्यूचर में आने वाली हर न्यू वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे। तो दोस्तों, जो मैं आपके लिए आज वेबसाइट लेकर आई हूँ वो बहुत अमेजिंग वेबसाइट है जिसका नाम है सलाद कैट coin.com। सलाद कैट मीट सलाद कैट द कूलेस्ट मीमी कॉइन ऑन सोलाना। दोस्तों, यहाँ पर हमें इंस्टाग्राम और ट्विटर दिखाए गए हैं जिससे हम डिस्कॉर्ड में जाकर ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। दोस्तों, हमें यहाँ पर टोकन मिंट एड्रेस दिया गया है जिसे हम कॉपी करके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं। About SL Cat. SL Cat, dollar SL Cat is a Solana powered meme coin aimed to be the owned and driven by a community. It aspires to become one of the biggest meme coin in the crypto space by bringing together cat and meme lovers and helping to build the Solana community by onboarding new people through fun and enjoyment. Salad Cat aims to create a sustainable, profitable, transparent, and safe environment for Salad Cat lovers. We also like dogs, Mimi's great job doggy. But it's time to make room for the cats at the table with Salad Cat and show them some love. So, are you team dog or cat? Dollar SL Cat hash Salad Cat coin. Don't gamble on pumps, come build a rocket. Why Salad Cat? Mimicoin investments are diluted in several projects, and many of these them are phenomenal or just scams. We launched Salad Cat coin to add real value to the Mimicoin world by combining the power of memes with real utility and charitability. Thanks into part to the speed in the parts of to the speed, efficiency, and scalability of the Solana network. Salad Cat Mimi culture is strong. We want to go with something many people are familiar with, so we choose his hilarious cat whose facial expressions when looking at a salad plate snowboard into a viral Mimi. Mimi appeal everybody, and we firmly believe that a person who buys Mimicon does not only do it to get a return on investments but also to participate in the phenomena fund practice while doing something useful and pleasant. Utility. Our utility roadmap give us solid fundamentals. Large cat coin is going to play a very core role in several utility projects being developed. दोस्तों, आगे आप खुद रीड कर सकते हैं। Charitability. Blockchain teach and cryptocurrency are good only if they make life easier for us and contribute to the world being a better place. This is why charity is a very core part of what Salad Cat is. Salad Cat is a fun meme with a serious mission to rescue cat need, but only not that. We also want to help provide crypto donation solutions for a charity ecosystem to fundraise cryptocurrencies. By found the crypto donors receive funds instantly and become part of a network of crypto media partners to support their missions. 30% of our max supply will be dedicated to rescuing cats, other animal in general, and for any charity foundations that will be happen of our partner network. We will carry over these donations over 3 years. We will continuously updates the donation section of the website and over social networks with the latest donations and news and partnerships to come. Community. We encourage open communications and believe trust, transparency, and community are the basis for building longevity. For this trip, the community decides everything. You are the motivation for Salat Cat to continue progressing and developing more. We will listen to the community according to their suggestions and reward active members for their dedication and added value. We want to play in the big leagues and combine the useful with the pleasant. We will preserve to be here for the next ball market and the next Bitcoin halving with a bigger and stronger community. The project will be led and put forward by its community. Let's take our friend Salad Cat to infinity and Byman. Tokenomics. Token name Salad Cat. Token symbols SL Cat. Network Solana. We will burn the golden ratio 16180333988 $SL cat 30% over two events. Charity 30% charity and donations $1.618 billion SL cat will be reserved for safe and protects cats and kittens and making the world a better place through charitable invitations achieved gradually over 3 years. Liquidity 22% liquidity $2.649 million SL cat will be made available. Our supply of liquidity into pools to make it very easy for people to buy and sell. This will provide easy and accessibility to people who will trade and swap $SL cat tokens on DEXS CEXS. Stacking rewards 30% stacking rewards. There will be $1.618 million SL cat available as reward for those who provide their token for stacking. Decentralized exchange need to have a high supply of Salad cat coin to facilitate effective trades. User will be able to stake their select. Those who stake their tokens will be earning from this allocated Salad cat reward pool. The higher the staking amount, the higher the reward the user receives coming soon. उसके बाद दोस्तों हमारे पास है सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाई हैव बीन अलॉटेड फॉर डिफरेंट पर्पस. Number 1 marketing, number 2 airdrop, number 3 core team, number 4 liquidity marketing. 30% marketing. The amount of $SL cat to be reserved for promotions and marketing is 1.618 billion to gain visibility and recognizability. This would be used also to foster bridge between different communities, projects and establish companies that would be involved with Salad cat coin in the future. Airdrop 30% airdrop and giveaways a total of $1.618 billion. SL cat will be freely given to Solana ecosystem and as a reward to the active members of our community. Core team 10% core team and 3% future development. The team's allocation will be unlocked over the course of 20 months, 0.5% per month. Moon Road Phase 1 Birth. Salad cat is born. Social media channels, websites, and bring marketing push on social networks to spread awareness. 2000 Telegram members. Airdrop for community. First token burn. DEX listing. Phase 2 crawl. Videos conference on Telegram and Discord after reaching the 100k market cap. Influencer marketing push. Listing on CoinG, listing on Coin Market Cap, 5,000 Telegram members, 5,000 holders, airdrop for coin holders. This party ordered charity partnership and donations. Phase 3 expansion. Phase 3 walk expansion into other markets. Chinese to 20,000 holders, 20,000 Telegram members, airdrop, giveaways and contents, large influencer marketing push, create Salad cat DEX, intentional CEX listing, phase 4 run, website redesign, 150,000 holders, increase marketing to again visibility and recognizability. We want to create in collaboration with TikTok, Instagram and Twitter influencer a viral promotion of Salad cat. Second, token burn celebrations, more charity partnerships and donations. Start functions for holders. Phase 5 jump. 300,000 holders, new crypto utility, release NFT marketplace, NFT collections, giveaway, memes everywhere, more CEX listing, more partnerships. Phase 6 Moon. Update the Moon Road. Tier 1 CEX listing. Donate to help build animal sanctuary. Create an academy in North Africa with the goal of helping people in this country to learn and appeal to get them more familiar with cryptocurrency and blockchain. charity partners. We will continuously update the donation section with the latest donation news and partnerships to come. As a community powered project, Salat Cat Coin runs thanks to its amazing volunteers and generous donors. If you would like to pitch in, use the official Solana SPL token donation wallet here. दोस्तों में यहाँ पर लिख दिया गया जिसे हमको भी करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. ओवर टीम फिकी गैनम फाउंडर, रिकी दाई वेब डेवलपर, इलुगो सेट ग्राफिक इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर. हाउ टू बाय. दोस्तों हम किस तरह सलाद कैट कोइन को बाय कर सकते हैं ये हमें रीड मोर में दिया गया है. मैं अभी आपको पढ़ के सुनाती हूँ जिसे मैं रीड आउट कर रही हूँ. कन्वर्ट फंड्स टू USDC ऑन अ सेंट्रलाइज एक्सचेंज. Number 2, create a Solana wallet. We recommended Phantom. Send your USDC to your wallet address on any site. Click the button in the top right to the connection your wallet. For easy swapping, we recommend using Radium. For trading, head to DEX, LAB or Radium exchange. Now you can easily exchange your $USDC for $SL CAT. Please remember to leave a small amount of SOL for transaction fees. दोस्तों यहाँ पर हमें टोकन मिंट दिया गया जिसे हम कॉपी करके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर हमें सीरम आईडी का लिंक दिया गया है जिसे हम कॉपी करके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर हमें एम आईडी का लिंक दिया गया जिसे हम कॉपी करके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. रेडियम, व्यू चैट, बर्ड आई और नॉमिक्स. कॉन्टैक्ट हेयर. दोस्तों हम यहाँ पर एक दूसरे के साथ कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं या एक दूसरे को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. फेसबुक, ट्विटर, मीमी, इंस्टाग्राम, टेलीग्राम, यूट्यूब. Risk disclosure. Please don't. There are always risk associated with smart contract. Please use it at your own risk. SaladCat is not registered broker, analyzer or investment advisor. Everything that we provide on this site is purely for guidance, informational and educational purpose. All information contained here should be independently verified and confirmed. We do not accept any liberty for any loss or damage words over caused in reliance upon such information or service. Please be aware of the risk involved with any trading done in any financial market. Do not trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. When in doubt, you should consult a qualified financial advisor बिफोर मेकिंग एनी इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन. दोस्तों अब मैं आपको 3 लाइन्स के बारे में बताऊंगी. दोस्तों 3 लाइन्स में हमारे पास है हाउ टू बाय, वाई सलाद कैट, टोकनॉमिक्स, मोनरोड, डोनेशन स्कीम. दोस्तों हमारी आज की वीडियो यहीं पर ख़त्म होती है.